Nintendo announced that cult favorite Donkey Kong 64 is finally joining its Nintendo Classics library. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech and gaming news. The N64 emulator was first introduced to the Nintendo Switch Online and Expansion Pack membership tier nearly 5 years ago, and Nintendo fans have been asking for Rare's 1999 Collectathon platformer ever since. For Donkey Kong Bananza, Donkey Kong 64 was the tie-wearing gorilla's one and only 3D outing, and remains an important part of Nintendo's history, even if the game itself has always been pretty divisive. Unlike the British developer's far more universally beloved side-scrolling Donkey Kong Country games, Rare's Donkey Kong 64 sees DK exploring large 3D levels that are absolutely stuffed to the brim with collectible items. Many fans loved the more open-ended approach and multiple playable characters. Rare's previous platformer, Banjo-Kazooie, which came out a year earlier in 1998, is also in the Nintendo Classics library, and the two are very much in the same mold. Like many games of the early 3D era, a wonky camera and awkward controls can also make Donkey Kong 64 a bit of a tough hang in 2026. But if you love Donkey Kong and have ever wondered where Grant Kirkhope's infamous DK rap came from, you owe it to yourself to at least give it a try when it comes out on June 4th. Donkey Kong 64 is the first N64 game to be added to Nintendo Switch Online in 2026, following Rayman 2, The Great Escape, and Tonic Trouble arriving in December. In addition, it means that a lot of the N64's biggest games are now playable on Nintendo Switch Online via the Expansion Pack add-on, which costs $50 per year for an individual membership. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.